The next we have here is cleaning solutions. Now, cleaning solutions should only be used with permission of the family, or if there's no family, the permission of the cemetery. You don't take this and do it on your own. It's okay to do general cleaning, mark things that we'll show you, but generally when you're cleaning up at a higher level, you need permission from the cemetery. So ensure that you look there to get permission. But what we have here is, of course, a brush. We have gloves, goggles. We have water. Keep a spare jug of water, and most of the times they'll have water containers around, but take your own. Make sure that you have water to do the job. And finally, we have a couple chemicals that are used. These are cleaning solutions that are used by the Department of Veterans Affairs, National Cemetery Administration. And this one's Wet and Forget, available like at Home Depot and places like that. A little easier to find, but it's just authorized use. The other one is called D2. That's a little bit harder to find, but it is findable. So either one of those will work fantastic, and they've been approved by use, or for use by the Department of Veterans Affairs. I would say is that if you're interested in more information about how these things are used, is go to YouTube. They've got some great videos, like ByMemorialDay.com and some others that they can tell you more about this. But here I want to talk to you about this cemetery particularly, and we're going to focus our attention in a few moments over here on some graves. Thank you.